all the books that have been written. So let's flip over. And do you want to flip over? You just missed a whole bunch of hearts for you. So the first book is Winnie Flies Again. Yes, it is about Winnie the Witch and her cat Wilbur. And this book is written by Valerie Thomas. And the lovely, lovely, creative, funny drawings are by Corky Paul. So let's find out where Winnie goes when she flies again. So see that. That is a drawing of a witch on a broomstick along with her cat. Look at the lovely green eyes this cat has.
And look at the pink nose.
And a pinkish reddish nose. And look at this witch with the little yellow bow in her hair. Isn't it a cute drawing? Can you all see it? Yeah? Okay. So, Winnie flies again. What happens, Asha? You okay?
Look here.
I'll put something on
What is it?
Okay. It is dry skin. Okay, sorry guys. Winnie the Witch always travelled by broomstick. It was a wonderful way to travel. Winnie would jump onto her broomstick, Wilbur would jump onto her shoulder, and they would zoom up into the sky. There were no traffic lights, no traffic jams, just the empty sky. So look at that. They have the entire sky to themselves. And look at the traffic jams below. Just like Bangalore roads.
And look at this car.
See, there are cars bumper to bumper. There's a huge double-decker bus. There is a little car that has toppled over here. See that car which has toppled over?
Where?
See, here.
Yes.
See, and there's another one. And look at the roads. They're jam-packed. But look at the skies. The clear blue skies.
And look at this one.
Yes, they're all empty. And the entire sky is for Winnie and Wilbur on her trusted broomstick. Well, that was how it used to be. But just lately, the sky had become rather crowded. Last week, Winnie didn't see a helicopter. Wilbur lost 2 of his whiskers. My God, so see that. Yeah, we'll come to it. There's a hot air balloon, there's an aeroplane, there's even a rocket, there are gliders, and then there's this helicopter that Winnie didn't see and she rammed into it, and poor Wilbur lost 2 of his whiskers. Look at that here. 2 of his whiskers have just been cut off and they've fallen down. Hi, Suku.
Hi, Suku.
Suku, auntie.
Hi.
Okay. The week before that, she didn't see a hang glider. Wilbur's tail was bent. So see that. She hasn't seen this hang glider, who's absolutely horrified at seeing a witch on a broomstick. And look at what has happened to Winnie and Wilbur. Look at Winnie's face. She's bumped her nose and Wilbur's tail is also bent. Poor Wilbur. You'll have to stand out next time, Suku, you're late. We won't give you entry. Okay. The week before that, a very tall building suddenly got in her way. Wilbur lost a clump of fur. Now look at that. Look at this tall tower. See how many stories it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then that's the turret. And then Winnie, it got in the way of Winnie's broomstick. Naughty building. How could it do that? And look what happened to Wilbur. Where is he? He's here and he's lost a huge amount of fur. See that? See his tail. Oh, poor Wilbur. A lot of his fur fell off.
And look at where's the fur?
It's fallen off. It's flown away. Oh, sorry. The sky is too dangerous, Wilbur, said Winnie. We'll have to try something else. So she took out her wand, waved it, and shouted. What did she shout? Abracadabra. I'll put something after it. Go tell Nani to put cream. Her broomstick turned into a bicycle, but it was very slow, very hard to pedal. Look at Winnie. She still tied her broomstick onto the cycle, and that's Wilbur on the broomstick, and she's struggling with all her might to pedal. And then a pond got in Winnie's way. She should look where she's going, croaked a frog. A bicycle is worse than a broomstick, Wilbur, said Winnie. We'll have to try something else. So she took out her wand. Look at poor Winnie, guys. She's soaked. Look at her hair. Dripping wet. Everything is dripping wet. And look how horrified Wilbur is at the thought of what a touching him. Cats don't like
Water.
water. So she took out her wand, waved it, and shouted, Abracadabra! Her bicycle turned into a skateboard. The skateboard was fast, but it was hard to steer.
Look at Wilbur, he's so happy.
Yeah, and impossible to stop. So look at that. She's tied her trusted broomstick onto the skateboard. But even though the skateboard was fast, it was very hard to steer, and it was impossible to stop. Have any of you all ever been on a skateboard? You all will know it's really tricky. It's a very tricky equipment.
Mama, look at this. Wilbur's so happy.
Wilbur is so happy because the wind is in his hair, and he doesn't really bother about, he's not worried about being able to steer or stop the skateboard. He's just happy to have the wind in his hair. Winnie was stopped by an ice cream seller. Can't you see where you're going? He shouted. A skateboard is even worse than a bicycle, Wilbur, said Winnie. We'll have to try something else.
Look at Wilbur licking it.
Look at Wilbur licking. Look at this naughty cat. Oh no, he's gotten into the ice cream man's truck and he's licking up his ice cream. I don't want to eat any of that ice cream. And look at poor Winnie. She's thrown across the bumper. So she took out her wand, waved it, and shouted,
Look at all the cones.
Abraca.
Look at all the cones.
Look at all the cones. And shouted, Abraca. What did she say?
Dabra.
Dabra. Her skateboard turned into a horse and they trotted slowly down the path. This is much better than bicycles or skateboards, said Winnie. But she didn't see. Whoops! She doesn't see the road ending. Look at that. There's a huge water body below. And the low branch, she didn't see the low branch of a tree. This time, Winnie didn't say anything. She was hanging from a branch. Just look at her. She's gone flat into the branch and she's hanging off the branch. And look at the horse. Oopsie. Slowly and carefully, Winnie climbed down from the tree. I think we'll walk home, Wilbur, said Winnie. That seems to be more sensible. They limped slowly along the road. It was a very, very slow way to travel, but it was safe. Until Winnie stepped into a hole and tumbled deep down under the ground.
Mama, look at Wilbur.
My God.
Look, Wilbur said stop.
Yeah, see, Wilbur's sensible. He sees a danger sign there and he's trying to tell Winnie to stop. But Winnie didn't see him. And then she continued walking and she tumbled into this hole. See, Wilbur's looking out for her. And where did that hole lead to? Zig, 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 zig. It came down under the earth, all this pipe work, and it kept coming down. See, there's a metro, there's like a subway. And she kept coming down, 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 down. And there is Winnie. Oh no. And look, her hat is still here. But she rolled down so many steps. And there she is. And what does she have to say? I think I need a cup of tea, Winnie said. I think so too. She definitely needs something to see her through this. Winnie climbed out of the tunnel and went into a shop. A cup of tea and a muffin, please, she said, and a saucer of milk for my cat. We don't sell cups of teas or muffins, said the shop lady, and we don't have saucers of milk. But I think I can help you. So where has Winnie gone? What shop is this?
Glasses shop.
Is it a tea shop? Is it a cafe? Is it a restaurant where she can get tea and muffin and milk? No, it's a glasses shop. But why did she mistake it for a restaurant? Does that mean Winnie can't see? Probably why she's been having all those accidents. And the shop lady sold Winnie a pair of spectacles. Now, Winnie and Wilbur travel everywhere by broomstick. It's a wonderful way to travel. So look at that. She's wearing glasses. And now she can see clearly. She can see the birds clearly, the hot air balloon clearly. She can see the airplanes clearly. So the problem earlier was not with the buildings and the airplanes and the helicopter. The problem was that Winnie couldn't see. And once she got her glasses, she's able to see. And she's able to travel as she liked. as she likes.
Crocodiles.
Look at that. And look at this drawing of Winnie and Wilbur on a broomstick. Isn't that cute? I really like Winnie books. She isn't riding on the broomstick. I think she's carrying it. So for today's drawing activity, do you lovely kids think y'all can draw me yourself sitting on a broomstick? Would you like that? Would you like to have the power to fly around the sky one day on a broomstick but not in a plane or a helicopter? Do you think that would be fun? You can have your pet with you or it can be just you. Yeah, who's going to draw this for me? Shlok, would you like to draw it for me? Shlok sitting on a